Did you know a prisoner once saved 276 lives during a shipwreck and predicted every detail before it happened? 14 days. No sun, no stars, just walls of black water and a ship coming apart at the seams. The crew had thrown the cargo overboard, then the anchors, then hope. Every man on board believed they were hours from death. And then a prisoner stood up, chained, calm. He told them an angel had spoken to him in the night. Not one life would be lost. He said it like he already knew the ending. Then he did something no one expected. He picked up bread. He gave thanks out loud, in front of terrified sailors who hadn't eaten in 2 weeks. He broke it, and he told them to eat, before the shore, before the rescue, before anything was certain. They listened. The ship ran aground and broke apart. Every man swam. Every man walked out of the water. 276 people, not one missing. Faith doesn't wait for the storm to stop before it gives thanks.